From Autodesk University 2009 in Las Vegas, I'm Dave Graveline from Into Tomorrow. Welcome to another AU virtual interview. Jeff Richlin is the president of Richlin Machinery Incorporated. Jeff, we're looking to find out what the biggest obstacles or opportunities might be facing your company these days.
Dave, I'm glad you asked that. I've always seen it my whole life. Okay. Our obstacles have turned into our best opportunities. Over the last few years, in industrial machine tool design and machine tool manufacturing in the United States, our market has shrunk considerably. So we took the plunge into using Inventor about 4 years ago after living in a 2D world, and it opened up unexpected opportunities. When we decided to go into the 3D digital world, we were hoping just to make things faster, make them better, work the first time, all the typical digital prototyping wants that you would have, and they proved to be very successful. But the best thing for us was it opened up entire new markets that we never could have approached before as a small firm. So now we were doing work for companies in other parts of the United States, not just regional to New York. We're also working with customers in other parts of the world. So
you were actually playing with the big boys as well now, where it sounds like perhaps some markets, as you mentioned, that you weren't able to work with before.
We never had access to them, and we couldn't communicate with them economically. So now, through using DWFs, through Showcase, through using Studio for our animation, we've been able to get our ideas to other people, to people that need our product in other parts of the world quickly. So it's been tremendous.
And I would imagine from your staff's perspective as well, have they enjoyed the challenge of going from 2D to 3D and that learning curve as being kind of fun in addition to productive?
Well, when we started, we thought there was going to be a lot of bickering or arguing over whether we would do it, whether we'd be successful, whether we would get what we need out of the product or change our company enough. And what we found was the moment we decided to go to 3D, the change was awesome. It was instantaneous. We were able to create product instantly, drawings instantly. The whole process became so streamlined. And everybody that touched the Autodesk products instantly became invigorated and energized into what they could do. So this may sound like a sales pitch, but it really changed not only our company, but the way we view ourselves, the way customers view us. They now, when we send them out when we send our customers a proposal that is not only 2D drawings, but 3D renderings or 3D models, there's instant acceptance for what we're doing, and they can see where we want to go. And the best part for us as a profitable company is now we're able to take our customers' feedback, because we're designing machines for them to use every day, and they have an idea of what they want or what they need, and they might not be able to express it, because when you're dealing with engineers, they're not the most talkative group of people.
No?
No. They really don't express themselves very well. So what we're able to do is show them what we feel will get the job done, but in the best solution, they come back to us and say why things won't work or what things would be better. So now we're able to sculpt our ideas with their feedback and input, and then give them something that they really need quickly.
So not only from a staff perspective, but even from your customers and prospects perspective, it sounds like some renewed vigor here.
Yes, in a difficult market, to say the least, being able to help our customers quickly and economically has enabled us to survive, where many of our competitors, we no longer see them in the marketplace at all.
Wow.
They can't twist and turn as quickly or as economically as we can now.
So the whole team is looking back and say, boy, not only was this a good move, but we're moving forward.
Yes, we have some place to go. And as the market comes back, which we feel it will over the next year and a half or 2 years, we are very well positioned to take on new customers and new products.
And Jeff, you kind of touched on it a few moments ago, but how do some of the solutions from Autodesk make a difference in what you're doing these days?
You know, that's such a big question to answer, because it really touches every aspect of our business. From first getting the sale, being able to share ideas with our customers, taking it to the next step, creating the product and sharing ideas with our vendors, with our customers, with our own internal engineers, creating the documentation afterwards, the manuals, the support documents. It really touches every part of what we do.
And how are you differentiating yourself now? from your competition, other than the fact that some have gone away? That's a pretty good difference, and you're profitable. But from an actual marketing standpoint, how are you different now?
Well, just the first is being able to market to our customers with completed systems and showing them what we can do, that we're not just relying on history of what we've done for customers in the past. So we're differentiating ourselves by putting ourselves out there to our customers' needs and showing them that we can be successful even before we start.
In what ways do you see then your industry changing as we head, say, into tomorrow?
Oh, well, our world, it keeps getting smaller. Our customers are all over the world. Our competitors are all over the world. So if we can't move at that speed, if we can't adapt and give our customers something instantaneously, somebody else will. So it's a matter of survival to make this change for us.
Jeff Richlin, you're a delight to talk with, and I can see that renewed vigor in you as well in using the various solutions from Autodesk. Thanks for spending a few minutes with us here at AU.
Thank you, Dave.